How long will you spend in the UK? A week?
I think a week, yeah. Make my way home.
Home being Australia?
Yeah, have a week at home before all those tournaments.
Yeah.
Last night got me in the celebrating mood, so I might go home and see my mates and
try and get that out of your system.
yeah, get that out before I have to write a score on the card.
Go play golf again, yeah.
Oh.
Up! Hosel rocket. Man. It's the second time I've done that this year when the ball's below my feet like that. Thank you.
Putt.
Thank you. Yay.
Billy, where are you, Billy? I'd like an interview.